almost everything about Extrude Mesh node. Let's take a closer look at the Extrude Mesh node. When you connect an Extrude Mesh node to the default cube, by default all faces are extrude in their respective normal directions. If you uncheck the individual option, each face will be extruded while connected. The important thing here is to extrude only the face you want. So you can use the index node. When you connect the index node to the selection socket, all faces except index number 0 are selected. By adding a compare node, you can ensure that extrude is applied only to the desired face. If you connect a vector node to the offset socket, you can further control the position of the extruded face. Try connecting one more extrude node. If you connect the top socket, only the side facing the extruded direction is additionally extruded. Side only the sides are extrude. The subtract mode of the Boolean math node allows more precise selection. By using the vector rotate node, more diverse expressions are possible. If you are familiar with the Extrude Mesh node, you can implement various types of modeling using the geometry node.